and see how to make stunning bridal hand fan for your kids. Yes, with this skeleton covered with fabric, whatever fabric you like, and the sequins, bold sequins, gum, normal gum, and candle gum. Let's see how to make this stunning bridal hand fan for kids. Yes, baby girls. It's simple, very simple. Like and share this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section what you think about this design. Is it suitable for baby girls, for kids, or is it too serious for them? I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. This is the Model TV. Yeah, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Yes, I always upload interesting, educative, and informative videos. Don't miss it. Subscribe, turn on notification button now, and don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section. Have you seen what I just did? Sprayed your gum on the bowl sequence and place it on the skeleton that has been covered with fabric already. When you place it, use your hand and press it down for some seconds and it will stick, and you go ahead and do so from the beginning of the cycle to the end, carefully and neatly. Do not allow your gum to spread. Yeah, now comes the trimming. This video is self-explanatory. You just watch and follow suit. It's simple, unique, yet very beautiful. So you spread your gum where you want to attach the trimming neatly. You do not allow your gum to spread, because once it spreads on the material, your work becomes untidy. For you to have a clean, neat, and beautiful finishing, you have to control your gum very well. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, like it, comment, share, and if you've not subscribed, hit the subscription button now and turn on all notifications. I don't want you to miss any video. Okay, so this is it. You line your lining, your trimming, your stone, whatever that you'll be using for your embellishment. You just spread your gum on the fabric and line it up. So when you get to the end of your trimming, you fold it in such that one cannot recognize where you started from and where it ended. That is it. You spread your gum generously, press it down to ensure that it sticks carefully and neatly. You do not allow your gum to spread or stain, because cleaning it will make a mess of your work. So look at this letter. I'm writing my baby girl's name. Okay, so you pick the letters that suit the name of the person that you want to write. You use your candle gum and spread it neatly, like very little by little, so that it does not spread to where it shouldn't spread to. You do that neatly from the beginning to the end, and this is what we have at the end of this video. So off camera, I wrapped the handle of my hand fan with bias, velvet bias with gum. You can use trimming as well. So with this, we've come to the end of this short video. Like, share, and comment, and let me know if you'll be trying this out. This is also suitable for asoebi. So if you have a asoebi group, you can do this for them. It will sure look good on them. Let me hear from for me in the comment section. What do you think of this design? Does it make sense?